All right, we're back. So today I want to try something. I want to try something. Before we do that, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Is that how I say it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. Okay, so I want to try something. I do. I want to try something, and I want you guys to try it with me so that in case it doesn't work out, I can blame you all and not myself. Okay, so we're still on the Juvia's Place tip. I don't know about you guys, but I'm still here, and I don't plan on leaving anytime soon, like at least for the rest of the week, you know, because I'm just having too much fun. So I've seen a lot of people do this thing where they've used concealer as foundation, and not necessarily called it like foundation, but more so just if the concealer had the coverage that a foundation had, and if the concealer was like, you know, like bomb enough, that's what they did. So I'm gonna try it. You guys know that I love the foundation. The concealers are a force. So I want to give it a whirl. Do you want to come with me? And we'll see. Let's do it. You know, let's jump straight into it. Okay, quick priming with Huda Beauty's primer, the hydrating primer that is. We're gonna let that soak, we're gonna let that take, you know. So the shades that we're going to be using for foundational purposes, even though these are concealers, are shades 5 and 4. So we're gonna do a swatch test on the face to see, we're gonna do a swatch test on the chest once more, because I know you guys watched my previous video. If you didn't, go now. And we're gonna see which one fits my chest better. But you could see I got a tan, not to show you guys my tits or anything, but I have a very distinct tan. Like this part is light, a lot lighter than like this V. So my actual shade is in this V. So that's where I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna swatch in that area. So let's do number 4 first. 4 is going to be darker than 5. Because remember, Juvia's Place's shade range is from darkest to lightest instead of from lightest to darkest, which I so appreciate. It feels really good to be, you know, one of the top numbers instead of number 587 like we usually are, us dark-skinned people. So it is refreshing to say the least. Okay, so that was number 5 that I just swatched. I think number 5 will work for me. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna put number 4 around my mouth to lightly correct like I did in my previous video. Even though this one is darker than my actual shade, the undertone is gonna correct very well for me. So let's do that really quick. And it blends out so beautifully. Oh gosh, OMG. I love the finish on these concealers. They're just perfect. Did they even take up to like 30 seconds? Honestly. And if my face was like my whole body's color, I would easily be able to use number 4, because number 4 is my face color. It's just that my chest is lighter than everywhere else. So gotta use number 5. All right, so we are all blended out for the color correction, color corrective purposes. Yeah. So now we can see number 5. Let's go ahead and, you know, do the face. And this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in number 5 that I'm using as foundation. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, this ain't beautiful. I don't know what is. Look at that. Listen, if you haven't already ordered your concealers and your foundations, just know that you're playing with your life, okay? You're playing with your life. Get it together. Get it together. We're gonna let that set a little bit like I let it set before, you know what I'm saying? Let's let that set just a little bit, you know? Let it get a little thick, let it get a little, you know, full coverage. I love this. All right. Oh, look at that. You guys, just, oh my gosh. Oh. Ha! Okay. Listen, first of all, can y'all see? Period. Oh my gosh. Okay, just look at this half of my face, okay? Just look at the way the concealer just literally you know, it just smoothed right over my skin. Oh, wow. Okay. Cause you know what? I'm not finna argue with y'all. I'm not gonna argue with you guys about this. If you haven't already gotten your concealer, you're playing with your life. And I don't have time for the games, okay? I don't. Like the coverage on this and the finish, this is so gorgeous. You guys, look at my skin. Just look at this chocolate dream. This too good. This is just too good. I knew it would work. I didn't have a doubt that it would work. I mean, let's finish the face. I'm gonna use number 11 to highlight, and this is pretty bright, so I might add in a dash of number 8. Yeah, we're gonna put some number 8. So we're gonna let that settle and set just a little bit. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna whip out my fan. Cause I ain't got no time for you fake hoes. Fake jewelry on and your fake clothes. Oh, so gorgeous. Yeah. You see the way the highlight just took my upper lip and just, you know, like plumped it just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Love it, and I love everything about it. I mean, it's like everything is just flawless. Like, I can't even... Do you see the way the light is just hitting me? And you know, you love what's going on when you start dancing and there's no song playing, you know what I'm saying? That's what you gotta do though. When you look this good. When you look this good, you could hear your own theme music. Yo, I'm gonna be wearing Juvia's Place foundation and concealer for the rest of the summer because this is just too much right now. Like, I look too good. Like, too good. Your dad can't even take me, honestly. Honestly, I don't even know if I can be your stepmom. I feel like I'm overqualified for that position at this point. Yeah, I'm definitely overqualified to be your stepmom. I'm sorry. I might have been able to be your stepmom on Tuesday, but today I just upgraded. So I'm sorry, but I'm overqualified. I'm gonna mix shades 1 and 4 to get a contour going. More 4 than 1. You see this? Juvia's Place done changed the game, you guys. It done changed the game. The way I'm glowing right now, no words. I literally have no words. And now I'm just gonna go over once and finally with a completely clean beauty blender. Make sure there's no excess product. And make sure everything has been properly pressed into my skin and blended out. Okay, you guys, I look sculpted head to toe. Okay, I look great, flawless. I look like Godiva herself. I look like Storm, the real Storm from Kenya. And I'm gonna be Storm one day. Guys, mark my words. One day you'll see me on your movie screens, on your TV screens and all that. And I'll be playing the role of Storm, possibly with this wig on, period. So I'm gonna set my whole face and we're gonna regroup, get your lives together, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're all done. This is the face. I have not put on any highlight yet, but can you guys see the natural glow that's going on with this concealer? This is a full face of the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. I used the shade 5 for my full face, and I used a combination of the shades 4 and 1 to contour, and I used shade 11 to highlight. So 11 mixed with 8 to highlight. So in total, I used 5 concealers. These are actually all the concealers that they sent me. I used them all, and I am loving this face. I don't know which face I love more, the foundation and concealer together or the concealer alone. I don't know. I think for the summertime, the concealer alone is going to work really well because it's full coverage, but it's still lightweight. So if you're sweating or if you're on the go, if you don't have time to do a lot to your face, but you still want to look super snatched, I say you need to get these concealers in your shades. Get at least 3 of them. 1 foundation shade, 1 highlight shade, 1 contour shade, and you're set. Because the way my face is sitting, by the way, I've had this face on for like 3 hours already. I've had this face on for 3 hours. I'm not oily at all. I am glowing, and I have not put on any highlighter at all. I didn't put on an illuminator, nothing. I literally am just glowing. As I said earlier, as a result of putting on these I Am Magic concealers as a full face situation, I am no longer able to be your stepmom. I am overqualified for the position. You could still tell your dad I said hi, but you can also tell him I said bye, because I am now out of his league. So there's that. I don't know what more to tell you guys. I'm snatched. I'm the baddest. I'm Storm from X-Men, the real Storm, as in the Storm that derived from Kenya, as in the continent Africa. And I look great. You know, I look great. I look like the baddest. So that's that on that. So the video's over. The review's done. The experiment is complete. And it was successful because I look great. And this concealer is a must have, a must buy, a must purchase, a must everything. These I Am Magic concealers, they're a force. Juvia's Place. Now we're not playing. I can see that now. There were no games to be had, and I am thoroughly impressed. All right? So that is the end of my review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do you have this concealer yet? Do you have the foundation yet? Tell me what you have and drop your shade in the comments. Let me know what you think of the foundations and the concealers, because I know you guys love them. I just want to hear you all say it. You know, that's all I want. I just want to hear it from the horse's mouth. So let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you want to see next. I am excited to be making all these videos consistently and so often, okay? Because we get to talk, we get to shit. That was so rude. It was so nasty and it was so rude. So nasty and so rude. So nasty and so rude. Anywho, video's over. I love you guys so much. I might love my ponytail more, but I do love you all, okay? Don't be confused. Don't get it twisted. I don't know. It's just that when I have a ponytail, I just feel like who gonna check me, boo? You know, that's how I feel with a ponytail. I don't even have on earrings. I put on earrings for you guys. Let me put on a little bit of highlight because I know how y'all get. I know y'all get fussy and I don't have on a highlight. Girls just wanna have fun. We just wanna, girls just wanna have fun, just wanna have fun. All right, we're done. I'm all high lit up. So that's it for me. That's it for this video. If you're not already subscribed, I advise you to do so you can be knowing when I be posting, okay? I'm just saying. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. And hey to all new subscribers. I see you guys showing up. How you doing? So I'll see you guys in the next video. It's gonna go up on Sunday. If you have any requests, leave them in the comments, okay? Goodbye.